moon, sun.
English activities. Students completed a weekly review revisiting marine animals and household appliances. Engaging discussions and activities helped reinforce their understanding of both topics. How you make water.
Hot water.
Water, you know, water.
Yes.
Very hot.
Water.
Yeah, hot water, boiling hot, okay?
Very careful.
Toaster, toaster. This is where you make toast. Or you put bread in, yeah?
Yeah. When it's done, it's...
Here goes up, yeah. Say iron, iron.
Iron is very hot. You do like really careful.
You make clothes, you make your clothes look smart and not creased, okay? So, hob is where you cook stuff. Put a pan on, heat it up, eat some food. Kitchen. This is where all this stuff is, okay? This is the room in which your fridge, your oven, all that is in. Yeah?
Oven.
Yeah, this is...
The oven.
A hob is on top of the oven, okay? It's the oven, hob is on top of it. Yeah?
But I have a hob and I don't have an oven.
No, you don't.
I don't have.
You just have a hob, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so just a hob.
Up gloves.
Washing up gloves and a sponge.
Yeah.
And you cook, you clean your plates and your...
A knife.
A knife, good job.
Like this is a statue.
A spatula, good job. It's a hard one.
I got it.
A shark. A shark.
I found it.
Let's see, dam.
Oh, he's traveling.
Oh. Shark, good job. Alright, Soma. Okay.